So as many of you know, I recently renovated the back wall of my shop to make it just a glorious tool display. And this is the way the camera is usually pointed, but this is what I have to look at all day. So I gotta look at this nasty half-dry walled, ripped apart wall with an original bench down there. When I moved into the place, I think it's time to rip it apart. We are announcing that we're doing our second annual joinery challenge. Last year, we did a 8-week joinery challenge. So many people enjoyed it. We had such a great time that we're doing it round 2. We're gonna be redoing some of the most popular joints from our last year's series and adding a few new ones. There's gonna be 5 joints this time. We're doing weekly Q&As after each joint. There'll be plans and videos. So if you've been wondering if you've got what it takes to cut some of these sexy joints and you don't wanna invest $1 billion in tools and wood to find out, this is a great opportunity. Click the link in the description box below. Registration closes Sunday at midnight. Look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Alright, it's time to build some boxes. So I'm just pinning together the box to hold it in place, all the pieces, get them in the right spot, and then I go back and I countersink and screw them all together with 1.5 inch or 2-inch screws, whatever tickles you. And no, that was not the first try fitting it in there. Well, as you might have seen in that time lapse, my spray gun bit the dust by me smashing it because it wasn't working properly because it's old and full of junk. So it's time to get a replacement. All right, well, I think I got my new spray gun set up properly. It's the ANI AT-S spray gun, made in Italy. Woo. Got it at Princess Auto. Give it a shot. If you're wondering about my procedure for spraying, don't, because I'm just a hack. And all I do is put the fluid in the gun and try and spray it on the wall without dripping it. And I'm sure there's a lot more to it than that, but yeah, that's all I'm gonna do, because I got enough stuff going on in my brain to have to try and learn a whole new trade. Just forget it. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this on and let you know how it goes. All right, guys, I hope you liked that video. I still got a few details I got to iron out, but I wanted to get this video out so we can announce that we are doing our second annual joinery challenge. Last year we did an 8-week joinery challenge with the Maker's Mob, cutting all these joints you see up on the shelf. We had such a great time and so many people signed up for it that we're doing it again. Okay, this time we're doing 5 joints, some of the same ones from here, the most popular ones, as well as adding a few new ones to expand your repertoire, as well as we will be cutting these with hand tools and a combination of power tools and showing you all sorts of different techniques. Okay, if that's interesting, make sure you sign up because registration closes Sunday at midnight, I believe. Don't miss out on this one. Link is in the description box below. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this woodworking glory with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Samurai out.